show you how to fix the no audio issue when you're recording voiceovers. And this issue has arisen with the latest operating system called Mac OS Catalina, which is the 10.15, and as of now we are on the 10.15.5. So for example, if you go to display the issue, for example, if you go and you'd like to record a voiceover and you click on the little record voiceover microphone here, and then you click on the the record button, it times down, and then you're gonna start talking to record like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then you can basically stop your recording, but once you stop you realize that within your audio track below here there are no waveforms of your audio, and if you try to play this back then you're gonna realize nothing has been recorded to your movie. So how to fix this problem with this issue here? So the first thing to do is you can go ahead and just open System Preferences. Once you open System Preferences, then you're gonna go to Security and Privacy. After you go to Security and Privacy, we're gonna click on Privacy on the top right. Then within the privacy window on the left side you're going to see there is a section called microphone. We're going to click on microphone, and then you're going to see iMovie is part of that list, and all we have to do is just put a check mark. Once we put a check mark, then iMovie will prompt you that it's going to close in order to enable the microphone feature, and we're going to click quit now. There you go. Now we're going to reopen iMovie and try again and see if the voiceover audio started recording for us. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and just test it. We'll click on the record button again. As you can see, you can already tell there is a difference, because right now within this sensitivity meter, microphone sensitivity meter, it started actually fluctuating. So if we just click on record again, and then we start recording 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and we stop, then you're going to see right now that we have our waveforms of our audio track, and this way you can now play it back and you can hear what you have recorded. I hope this have helped you resolve some of the apparent issues that arise with Mac OS Catalina. Thank you again for watching this video. You have a great day.